Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One Two Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create an OnlyFans account. So keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create OnlyFans account, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. Once you do, tap it on. This is the very first interface of OnlyFans. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and type in your email and then your password and log into your account. If you're new to the application and you want to sign up for a new account, then tap on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up Now button at the bottom. Start by entering your name in the first text field and go to the next field and type in a valid email address that you'd like to use for your account. Now, create a password for your account in the next text field. Retype in the password one more time to confirm, and finally tap on Sign Up. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up or create an account on OnlyFans. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.